Today we're opening Boogie Board and a black board. It's also a boogie and black. So you can boogie on it, draw on it, erase it, press a button and erase. Here are the things on inside and around. Here are the things on the back. Here's a manual, the instructions you have to do the back. Alright, let's open it. Okay, now it's opened. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, it's out of the box. And there's tape at the back. Here's how it looks like out of the board. Okay, let's take off the pen. Okay, and I'm going to draw a picture of a little pig. Circle head, little pig nose, pig ears, little pig eyes, and he's happy. I'm gonna draw his body. His tail, his 4 legs. We have 3 legs and then 4. Now, I'm going to color his legs. And here's my piggy. I'm gonna erase. Ooh. Now I'm gonna draw a human. It's like this. This is me. With wearing a hat. And I'm like this. And here's my mom. And she's nice. This is my mommy. And my dad looks like this with no hair. Just tiny hair. And then he's like going to work every day. And we have to stay home. And he has a hat too. Like a little hoodie. And my little brother is gonna be right here. Okay, this is my little brother, Chiku. He's so small. Okay, but I'm still. Okay, this is my picture of my family. And it's a nice sunny day to go for a walk. Mr. Sun is happy. Here's the clouds. I'm not really good at drawing clouds, but I try my best. And here's my picture. And I'll draw some lines because I think my mom and me and my dad and my brother are getting hot. And we're going for a nice, lovely walk. Here's the picture I draw. Now I'm gonna make a big heart. And connect the dots like a square. So I'm gonna make a square eyeball for the little heart. And let's make a nice happy face. Bye bye, that's it for today. And I'm gonna draw in this. Bye for today. I'm gonna keep drawing and have fun. Bye, like and subscribe, hit the bell, comment. Bye. Keep drawing. Ooh, that will be good. Have a happy face in the sun. And some apples in the trees or some orange. I'm just drawing for a little bit. Ooh, that looks nice. How about a little extra birdie? I'm gonna draw a bird like this. This is my bird I'm drawing. It's really nice birdie. It looks like a duck. And then some good. I dropped the pen. There. So how about a little ducky in the pond? A little duck. I'm putting the legs like he's paddling there. Paddle, paddle, ducky. And a little hair. That's going to be my picture.